Hey, DIYers and automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to Top 5 Best Picks. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn nuts and bolts, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of power tools to bring you the top 5 best impact wrenches of 2023. These tools are about to make your projects a whole lot easier. Let's get into it. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Rigid 18V Subcompact Impact Wrench Kit. The Rigid 18V Subcompact Impact Wrench Kit delivers exceptional power and portability in a compact and user-friendly package. The Rigid 18V Subcompact Impact Wrench Kit delivers a powerful and user-friendly experience for various applications. The combination of high torque, variable speed control, and a compact design makes it ideal for both professional and DIY users. The LED work light, comfortable grip, and durable construction further enhance its functionality and reliability. The Rigid 18V Subcompact Impact Wrench Kit is a powerful and versatile tool ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Coming in at number 4, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Impact Wrench. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Impact Wrench is a powerhouse tool designed for professional users and demanding applications. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Impact Wrench is a top-of-the-line tool designed for professionals who demand the best. Its exceptional power, versatility, and user-friendly features make it ideal for demanding tasks like automotive repairs, construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance, and more. The 1kW connectivity, durable design, and long-lasting battery technology further enhance its value and user experience. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Impact Wrench is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool ideal for professionals and demanding tasks. Its exceptional power, control, and durability make it a top choice for automotive repair, construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance, and more. The 1kW connectivity, durable design, and long-lasting battery technology further enhance its value and user experience. At number 3, we've got the Ryobi 18V Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. The Ryobi 18V Cordless Impact Wrench Kit offers a balance of power, portability, and affordability for various DIY and professional applications. The Ryobi 18V Cordless Impact Wrench Kit strikes a good balance between power, portability, and affordability. It's suitable for DIY users and professionals who require a reliable tool for occasional and moderate-duty fastening tasks. The compatibility with the OnePlus system enhances its versatility and value proposition. However, if you need a high-torque impact wrench for demanding applications or continuous use, consider models with higher torque output and more robust features. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Hart Consumer Products Incorporated 20V Cordless Impact Wrench. The Hart 20V Cordless Impact Wrench offers a budget-friendly option for tackling light to moderate fastening tasks around the house and workshop. The Hart 20V Cordless Impact Wrench offers a good value proposition for DIY users and professionals on a budget. It provides sufficient power for most common tasks, along with convenient features like cordless operation, variable speed control, and LED work light. While it might not be suitable for heavy-duty or continuous use, it's a reliable and affordable option for occasional tasks around the home and workshop. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit offers a powerful and versatile tool for tackling a wide variety of tasks. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit is a powerful and versatile tool suitable for both professional and DIY users. Its high torque output, multiple speed settings, and user-friendly features make it a great choice for tackling various fastening tasks. The kit includes everything you need to get started, making it a convenient and complete package. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit is a top-tier tool for professionals and demanding users. Its powerful motor, versatile features, and user-friendly design make it a valuable asset for tackling various fastening tasks. While it might not be the most budget-friendly option, its performance, durability, and user satisfaction justify the investment. There you have it, our top 5 best impact wrenches of 2023. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, so check the links in the description for more details and current pricing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and happy wrenching in 2023!